As of 2019, Transit has exceeded 10 million vehicles worldwide, becoming a world-renowned commercial vehicle brand. Ford V348 ambulance uses global Ford gasoline and diesel engine. It adopts 3H high-rigidity safety body structure, and its strength is twice that of ordinary steel plate. Double airbags, ABS anti-lock system, ESP body electronic stability system, and other safety technologies ensure driving safety with intelligent technology. It can provide oxygen for long-distance transportation for up to 20 hours and provide 17-seat vehicles with long wheelbase, which has more space. It can be equipped with up to 25 kinds of necessary and high-end medical equipment and instruments, fully meeting the professional needs of personal treatment, health protection, medical supply, health supervision, and testing in the medical field.